In today's video, I'll show you how to find your Twilio SID, a crucial step for using Twilio's API for your business or development projects. Make sure to subscribe for more Twilio tutorials. First, log into your Twilio Console dashboard. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the Account Info section, usually near the top of the page. Here you'll find your Account SID, which always starts with the letters SC. Right next to it, you'll also notice the auth token, which is hidden for security. While today we are focusing on the SID, it's good to know where the auth token is for future use. And that's it. Now you know exactly where to locate your Twilio SID to integrate Twilio into your apps or services securely. Always handle your SID and auth token carefully to keep your account safe.